What's up, guys? Welcome back to R&D Garage here at Vintage Air. I'm Billy. Today, I'll be introducing to you, for your classic Bronco, the Gen 5 Super Magnum system. So, with this kit, we upgraded our condenser bracket. We moved into a reduced barrier hose kit, a lot sleeker looking, easier to run into the vehicle. So inside our vehicle, with this particular one, we ran with our billet aluminum knobs with our mirror finish. There's a few other options. Get with your sales guys to hook you up. Underneath this dash right here, we have this giant blower on our Super Magnum that's going to keep you cool, even if you don't have a roof on your car. First off, our Gen 5 is going to come with your injection molded case. It's going to be more durable and has a nice OEM look. The ECU comes with new and improved diagnostic software. The big blower, that's going to give you 20% more volume. Your plenums are interchangeable for more custom applications. Also, all the control panels from the Gen 4 are going to work with your Gen 5 Magnum kits. Your reduced barrier hoses, their smaller outer diameter are going to make your installations a lot easier and provide a cleaner look in the engine compartment. All right, guys, so if you got a cool Bronco and you want to make it cooler, get with our sales team and order your kit. So, once again, from Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Be cool.